What are you doing? What? Oh, no, 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 no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a while since I uploaded a makeup tutorial, so I definitely wanted to put something out for you guys. I figured I'll do a nice summery type of a look. So when I started, I actually did not know what I was going to do with my eyes. I know I wanted like a teal color, but other than that, I had no clue. So in this video, I'm pretty much just figuring out what I'm going to come up with, and this is pretty much what I come up with, and I hope you guys like it. So if you do like this look and you want to see how I put it together, please keep watching. To start off, we're going to use this Maybelline Master Primer in Blur and Smooth. So let's just blur all this away. Smooth that skin. I do feel like my skin has looked better because I have been doing this really great skincare routine, which I'm going to put in another video. So to color correct, we're going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange. So I do still have dark circles, but they are getting better. Now that I have a lot of color corrector on my face, I don't even know if I needed this much on my face. I mean, yeah. Now we're going to go in with our foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation in 340. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need a little bit more foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with this Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. You can still see some orange in my under eye, and I don't worry too much about it when I put my foundation on because I'm going to go in with the concealer anyway, so that doesn't really bother me. Isn't this a beautiful sight? Now we're going to bake our under eyes with this Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'm just going to tap a little bit onto the cap like that. And then take my damp beauty blender and just get the product. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a cream contour with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to use the color Chocolate. I know that's not the prettiest thing you've seen, but it works. And it gets a little messy, but that's okay. I'm just putting a really, really, really light touch of this color on my nose because I don't want it to be that dark. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Pro palette and I'm going to use the color Sculpt. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away what I've been baking. So I have this palette by the brand Glam Chick, and I'm going to use this orangey color for my blush. Trying to match my t-shirt, you know? That's the look we want to go for. Now, if you feel like you put a lot of color, what you can do is go back into your banana powder or your face powder and just kind of go over it, and it kind of just takes that color and just kind of mutes it just a little bit. So then it seems a little bit more like it's coming from within instead of like that it's just laying right on top of your skin. I probably have so much product in my hair right now, like contour and foundation and everything. So for my eyes, I honestly don't know what I want to do for my eyes. I do know that I want to maybe do a teal color. So we're just going to wing it. Hopefully that works out. I'm going to go in with this Forever 21 eyeshadow primer and prime my lids. I'm going to go back into that Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand and set my eyes. I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and go in with Desert Sand to powder set my face. So this color Blaze looks really pretty, so I'm going to just take that and a fluffy brush and just kind of go into my crease with it. I'm going to go with a softer fluffy brush just to blend it in better. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette and go in with this teal color all over my lid. Now we're just going to blend that out a little bit where the crease is. I'm going to go back in with the Blaze again and just kind of bring those two colors together, like with a really light hand. Now I'm going to go in with the Oud color and bring that into my outer corner. So I don't want that teal to get lost. I do kind of like where it's going. I don't want it to get lost, so I'm going to go ahead and brighten up that teal just a little bit. All of this is a game of blending, making sure everything blends well together. I'm going to go back into Oud again right here. Just a little light touch. Really tap off the excess. And then I'm going to just pat most of it right here. And then like lightly just feather the rest in with that teal on the edge. I kind of want to put glitter. I have this e.l.f. glitter. It kind of has like a teal like reflection in it. I will show you the color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like this teal ish, teal green-ish kind of like a reflection to it. So I don't know if I'm gonna mess up what I have on right now, but I do kind of want to put it on where like the inner corner to the lid, you know, to mid lid. What do you think? Go for it? Go for it. If it screws up, we'll just start the video over. Okay, that's pretty. Alright, can't look up because I don't want it to get onto the top area right there. I'm just gonna put that over where the teal is. That just gave that teal just so much more life. Alright, let me let this dry before I mess it up. So now, again, because I put the glitter and I wanted to kind of like just merge in really well, I'm going to go back in with the Oud again and just go into my outer corners where the glitter is kind of like peeking through, and just help all of that to kind of marry, you know? Now let's go ahead and do the liner. For my liner, I'm going to use this Tartiest Clay Paint Liner in black. I think this needs a nice wing liner. that is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. My electric curler is not working, so I need to get a new one. But until then, I'm just going to clamp them with these. Hopefully they'll be nice to me and actually curl my lashes. And I'm going to put some mascara on and put in some false lashes. For mascara, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara in black. For lashes, I'm going to go in with these Ardell lashes in 601, and I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue in dark. I am really digging these lashes. So for my bottom liner, I was thinking of doing something a little crazy, and I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette, right? 35B? Yeah, 35B palette, and I'm going to go into this orange color right here for my bottom and see how that looks. Bear with me. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my mascara and put it on my bottom lashes and see how that looks. Because of the mascara on the bottom lashes, I feel like I like the way it looks without putting a liner, but I am going to add a little bit more of that orange just to brighten that color up just a little bit. So I definitely like how my eyes look. I think it turned out really well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows. So for my brows, I'm going to use this Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill in medium to dark. Now for my lip, I think I need to keep it kind of nude or light. I think I need to keep it light. For my lips, I'm going to go in with this Trust Fund Beauty in the color K-By. I need a tiny bit of like a pinky red. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Slick Balm in Lady and the Vamp. I feel like I need a nice gold sheen for my highlight. I'm going to go in with this Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette and use this gold right here. I'm going to use a smaller brush and do my nose. I'm going to bring that into my inner corners and my brow bone. Now that I'm done, at least I feel like I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. So I like this so much. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with my eyes, but I knew I wanted to do teal, and I love that I brought that orange in there. You know, it looks very festive, like spring, summer, pretty eye look. I hope you guys like this too. I had a lot of fun putting this look together, and I hope you guys do try it out. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this pairing with the teal and the orange. Does it look good? Let me know, guys. Also, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please hold on, subscribe to my channel, click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload. And I just want to say that I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye. Either I'm gonna end up messing up everything I did, or it's gonna look fantastic. I want it to look fantastic.